Hello friends, myself Arnab Kundu. You are watching my channel Technical Arcoin. Today I will discuss another topic on LibreOffice Impress. And today's topic is that how to create an animation using LibreOffice Impress. Right? So go to the computer screen. Through LibreOffice Impress, I will discuss today's problem step by step. So let's dive in. So friends, I'm just within the LibreOffice Impress and today's topic is that how to create an animation using LibreOffice Impress, right? So at first we close this window and at first we take a blank slide, okay? And then we go to the insert and took a image, right, for the background is concerned. And in my desktop there is image is there and just choose this image and we just fit within this slide, okay? Now we again go to the insert and insert a GIF image which actually moves, means the image will move from one part to another part of the slide. So just go to the image and choose this image, right? And now we at first we reduce the size of the image, okay? And after we just shift this image the leftmost of the slide, okay, because our animation is like that this man will move across the road from left to right, okay? So that's why we place the image at first in the leftmost part, okay? Now go to the animation and just add a effect, okay? And from there the category we choose motion paths, okay? And then from this effect we choose just the right, just choose right, okay? Because our animation is like that this man will move across the road from left to right, okay? And now what happened, the start is on click, just change it with previous and duration just increased to 20 seconds, okay? And now here the animation part is there and just right click into there and just go to the timing, okay? And then what happened, there is a repeat none, just choose until end of the slide, okay? And then press OK, okay? Now there is a arrow is given and just enlarge this arrow up to the rightmost part of the slide, rightmost part of the slide, okay? And now we just press F5 to get the animation. Just see the man will move across the road from left to right, okay? So in that way we can do the animation using LibreOffice Impress and just choose the animation option. I hope you have understood today's video. If you have some doubts or you have some problem for today's video is concerned, just write in the comment section. I will try to solve this problem. Those who are still not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. Keep watching Technical Arcoin for more videos. So today up to this. Thank you and bye bye.